So on Monday this week, my mate Kev gives me a call and he says, listen, I've just bought myself a new H&K pistol. Don't you want to come and shoot with me? So I EDC my SIG P320 and I said, no, most definitely, let me come through. When I looked at his brand new pistol and I looked at my trusted SIG P320 that I carry every single day, I thought, man, there has to be a way that I can update this, even if it's just a little bit. So I gave Angie at SIG South Africa a call and I said, Angie, what do you recommend? Is there a way that I can modernize my SIG a little bit and maybe include a red dot ready slide? And she said, all you have to do, there's two items. The one is a new grip module and the second one is this Pro Cut slide that we've got. That's all you need. So I decided, well, let me showcase today how difficult or easy it might be to exchange from my existing 12-year-old SIG into what I hope is going to be a nice new up-to-date optic ready SIG. So let's go and have a look. First things first, safety. So we're just going to go and take out the magazine. I'm just going to open it up. I can see that it is currently safe. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and open this up. The SIG takes apart quite easily, so I'm just going to go and move that across. And I'm going to need my existing barrel. So I'm just going to go and take that out, and I'm going to take the barrel out and put that slide to the side. What I'm now going to do is just remove this pin, which comes out quite easy as well. And I'm going to take the whole internal or trigger mechanism out of the grip module, the old grip module. Obviously, with the everyday wear and tear, I've got like a little rust spot here. My sights has gone quite dull. So it needed an update. So the new X Compact grip is a little bit different to the old grip module. You'll see that there's subtle changes that has been made, but the thing that I enjoy most is the flat surface as opposed to the round surface that I had on the original. So we're going to take the trigger mechanism and we're just going to go and slide that in here. A little bit of manipulation is needed just to bring it in, and there you can see that the grip module is now in. So we're just going to go and take the pin. I'm just going to go and press that through. And there we go. So I'm going to go and open that up because obviously we're going to put the slide in now. So I'm going to take the slide and we're just going to put the original barrel back. And that looks good. So let's take the new slide and let's just slide that over. Okay, I've got a grip there, and obviously we are just going to bring that back. And there we go. So that is what my new SIG looks like in comparison to the old. So it's obviously optic ready. It's also got very, very nice day and night sights on this slide itself. I mean, that looks completely modern from what I had a second ago. So I actually really quite like that. One of the other things that I do need to mention with this pistol is if you have the old SIG mags, the mags that actually say SIG Sauer on them, you have to replace the base plate with the new SIG base plate. So you don't have to go and buy a whole brand new mag, but you're going to have to change the base plate in order to fit into the new X Compact grip module. Now, while I'm talking about the SIG P320, in the news this week, all that I could see is obviously the issues that people have with the SIG P320. I figure let me just give my opinion on it at the same time as well. What frustrates me is that every single video that I've seen, what would happen is you'll obviously go and cock your pistol, and then they go and squeeze the trigger just before the breaking point. Now, in my opinion, I know that people want to simulate that that's normal everyday carry, but the reality is, once you have to squeeze this trigger all the way back, this becomes an accidental discharge. If I go and play around, obviously this slide is brand new, but if I go and push that all the way back, this becomes an accidental discharge. This is no longer a failure. You know, if that's the only mechanism that I need to use in order to break that trigger, in my opinion, that's a poop-all mistake, and that's not a failure of the pistol itself. But there you go. I think it looks amazing, and in the next video we'll put up the new red dot. I'll see you then.